So what's for dinner? All right, I read y'all's comments and I get it. Something easy, quick, inexpensive, not a lot of ingredient. Gotcha, got an answer. And tonight I'm going to keep it simple, very few ingredients, and it's going to be really delicious. One of those cook in the bag pork tenderloins, your choice of flavor. I'm not going to cook it in the bag, but it's already marinated and a great thing to have. You're going to need Dijon mustard. I've got 2 heads of broccoli here, a box of dried mashed potatoes. So these simple ingredients, inexpensive and very few, we're going to add a delicious sauce to, and that's what's going to make it over the top. So I'm going to pick up some horseradish, half and half for cream, and some white wine. For the produce drawer, a green onion, and a shallot. To get it all together, you're going to need some kind of a sheet pan. This is like a full-size cookie sheet. This is half size. I'm going to do it on that. Do y'all know about these? They sell them at Costco with the other foil stuff, but they're pre-cut sheets, so you don't have to pull the whole roll out. Boom. And a saucepan, like 4 to 6 cups, or bigger, it doesn't really matter, just a saucepan. So a shallot is basically if an onion and garlic had a baby. They're really flavorful. You just got to peel off like the first layer or 2 of the skin and then chop them up. So for this broccoli, a really good quality olive oil, and give it a nice coating. I'd say probably 4 tablespoons or so. I'm just drizzling it over, and then every so often toss it around with the spoon or just shake the bowl. Pork tenderloin. This is the peppercorn flavor. Like I said, any flavor works, whatever you like. I'm just laying it to one side. I'm going to lay my broccoli in here next to it so everything will roast at the same time. At 400 degrees, the pork will cook in about 25 minutes, and I think the broccoli should too. So while we got the wine heating up in there, I want to add our mustard. The Dijon mustard. This can be any brand that you buy. It doesn't really matter. 3 tablespoons. When your sauce starts to boil like this, just turn the heat down. I'm going to add a tablespoon of horseradish. This is an optional thing. You don't have to do it. I just like that extra punch. So the sauce is coming together really good. I'm just letting it kind of simmer here 4 minutes or so. Then I'm going to turn the heat off. The oven is still preheating. When we're about 10 minutes from being done with the pork tenderloin, I'll add our half and half and the green onions to this and finish the sauce right at the last minute. Then I've got my thermometer ready to go. We'll be testing this for 145 degrees. Like I said, it'll take about 25 minutes. All right, so the pork is about 5 minutes away from being done and the sauce is ready. When I say to reduce it or let it thicken, what I'm saying is like the back of a spoon here. If I get some on there, run my finger through it, that line holds, it doesn't disappear or slide over. So the sauce is ready. I'm gonna add these green onions that we sliced up and set this to the side and it's ready to go. test this, I'm just going to take the thermometer and run it in long ways, and it should read it's over 145, so we are done and ready. It looks great. It smells so good. With the potatoes and the sauce. When I'm in a hurry during the week, meals like this that all cook together are super, super convenient. The way the little toasty roasties on the broccoli when the olive oil does its magic, delicious with the sauce. You guys, thanks for watching.